So one thing you definitely have to do when you've got a BMW is you have to do the stud conversion on the hubs, and that's exactly what I'm going to be doing right now. I've been buying some more stuff, so I'll just do a little unboxing and I'll show you what I've just bought. 20 studs at 90mm in length. That means you can get up to 25mm spacers on your wheels if you've got spacers. I'm running 20 at the moment, so I figured the extra would be good. And then a bag of nuts, and you literally wind them into your hub, and then you don't have to mess about. I think pretty much all of my cars have ever run that. It's a good thing to have, because then you can just line them up really simply, and yeah, it just makes life a lot easier. Because I don't know if you've ever done it yourself and you're trying to lift the wheel on, you're trying to get your spacer aligned and all that kind of stuff, and it's a nightmare trying to spin the wheel at the same time as trying to line the spacer up, and you've got screwdrivers in there trying to align everything up. It's an absolute pain. But these stud conversions are really, really good, and yeah, I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to put it on now, and you can see how much easier it actually is. Just while I'm jacking the car up, I just wanted to share a few thoughts with you regarding the paint. We'd had a bit of nice weather over the past couple of days, and I thought I'd get the polisher out and just look at the difference on these images between the paint as it was and how it now is. Anyway, let's get back to the stud conversion. So if you're not familiar with the hub of BMW, kind of looks like that. There's no studs, you know, and then these bolts go in and hold your wheel in place. But when you've got like a spacer involved, you've got to line your wheel hole up. But then you've also got to get your wheel off the hub, which now we're not lined up, and we've got to turn it, shake it around, you know, get screwdrivers in there trying to line everything up. It's a pain in the ass, to be honest. So this conversion is going to make this a lot easier. Okay, so we'll get our bolts, get our Loctite.
A few moments later.
Can't get the lid off. A little bit of Loctite on it, or thread lock, or whatever your brand of choice is. And then there's a hex shape in the end of there. I don't know if you can see that. Just literally stick an Allen key in it, tighten it up. 5mm Allen key, hex head. I'm going to be putting it on my little drive just to push it in. I don't think they need to be done up ridiculously tight. Just tight enough and the right way. I'll do. that's it. Dead straightforward. Now it's just a case of sliding that on so it's seated. So much easier. Bolts, which are 17, 19 mil, I can't remember. Which are now 19 mil. Tighten up as we did. Easy. Oh man. And that's that. That's done. And then you just got to do the rest of the car now. Just the rest to do. So that's it for today. Nice short video. Hopefully you found the video useful, and I will keep uploading new stuff as and when I kind of get to it. So yeah, drop us a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you soon.
In the garage under the bright light, Slick Rick's got the tools ready to ignite. With a wrench in hand, he shares his know-how. Teaching the world, come on, let's get it now. Oil changes, brakes, and mufflers too. He's breaking it down, showing what to do.